Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. These are the keys to the BMW 6 GT. You have seen these keys already in my previous videos. I have also made a video on how to replace the battery in the secondary key. This time, it is going to be about the battery replacement on the primary key or the display key. Now what was the issue? The key would not switch on. I charged it throughout the night to rule out the possibility of lack of charge. Even then, it just blinks when I try to switch it on and nothing else happens. Then, I checked with the service center and they confirmed that it needs a battery replacement. Now, there are two types of display keys which BMW had distributed to its customers. One in which we can replace the battery like mine, and there is another set in which the battery cannot be replaced. So for those folks, the only way is to replace the whole key. The battery replacement charge is close to 5,000 rupees, but to replace the whole key, one will have to shell out 75,000 rupees. How crazy is that? So my suggestion to all who are having the key in which the battery cannot be replaced, keep it aside and use the secondary key. It's not worth 75k. This is the battery used in the display key. I searched for it online to see if this can be sourced from somewhere so that I can replace it myself, but it was difficult to get it. Hence I decided to get it ordered from BMW itself. Got the new battery and you can see the price of the battery here. It costs 4,900 rupees. Now let me take the key, take the old battery out and put the new one. And you can see the key is now powered on and working. So the battery replacement is as easy as that, provided you are able to get hold of a new battery. Like I said, I am lucky that the battery in this key is replaceable. For the other type, guys, don't even bother to shell out 75,000 rupees for a new one. Just keep it aside, it's not worth that much. Yeah, that is all I wanted to share on the BMW display key battery replacement. Until I meet you all with another video, bye bye and take care.